Today's video is about our next module 3rd, that is Statistical Analysis in Finance. Here we have studied various tools that we used in STAT. Let's start with the first, that is measures of center. There are mainly 5 types of measures of center that we used, that is arithmetic mean, median, mode, geometric mean and the weighted mean. So now we will briefly discuss about each of these. So first one is arithmetic mean. Arithmetic mean is a very simple term and is very easy to calculate, as we have to just sum up all the data values that we are given with and divided it by total number of terms. As we see in our example that we have taken any random 5 numbers, and to calculate the mean of these numbers we will add up all the terms and divided it by total number of terms. As total terms are 5, so we have to divide it by 5 to get our desired result. So our mean is 21.6. The next measure of center is median. Median is simply the middle value of our data values, but we have to note it that the data that we are given with, we have to arrange it in either ascending or descending order. So let's take an example to elaborate the term median. We have taken any random 5 numbers, and as we know that median is the middle number, so 20 is the middle number in this series, so obviously our median is. So next concept is mod. Mod is that number that occurs most probably in our series. That means that number that has maximum frequency in a number is called mod. For example, we can take any random 5 numbers to calculate the mod. And as we see that 20 is occurring most probably, so our mod is 20. So next concept is geometric mean. The difference between arithmetic mean and geometric mean is simple. In arithmetic mean, we sum up all the numbers, and in geometric mean, we multiply all the given data values and find the square root of that number by using n, that is total number of terms. If we take examples by considering any 5 numbers, we have multiplied those numbers with the square root of power total numbers, that is 5, and easily calculated our geometric. The last one is the weighted mean. It is a measure of center in which we just allocate, or each data value is assigned to a corresponding weight. The next concept is standard deviation. Standard deviation is the most common measure of the variation. It is a measure of how far the data values are from their mean. It is always either positive or 0. The next one is the variance. Variance also provide a measure of the spread of distribution. Both standard deviation and variance provide the same information, and there is a relationship between standard deviation and the variance. Variance is always equals to square of a standard deviation, or we can say that standard deviation is equals to square root of variance. The next concept is related to quartiles, that is 1/4 part of any data series. Quartiles are of 3 types: Q1, that is middle value of lower half data types, Q3, middle half of the upper values, and interquartile is simply by subtracting Q3 minus Q1. We can use 2 methods for graphing univariate data, that is histogram and the bar chart.